Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a look at the Corsair CX750M, a semi-modular power supply that promises reliable performance without breaking the bank. This particular unit is a renewed model, which would be a great way to save some cash while still getting a quality product. The CX750M boasts an 80+ bronze certification, meaning it's designed for efficient power delivery. This translates to less wasted energy and lower operating temperatures, which is always a plus. Corsair has also implemented robust DC-to-DC conversion for the plus 3.3V and plus 5V rails. This ensures clean and consistent power delivery to all your components, from your motherboard and CPU to your peripherals. Stable power is crucial for system stability and preventing unexpected crashes, especially when you're pushing your system hard with gaming or demanding applications. One of the standout features of the CX750M is its focus on quiet operation. It utilizes a rifle bearing fan, which is known for its longevity and reduced noise compared to traditional sleeve bearing fans. This is a huge benefit if you're building a PC for a quiet environment, whether it's for gaming, content creation, or just general use. A noisy power supply can be incredibly distracting, so the CX750M's low-noise design is a welcome addition. The semi-modular design is another key selling point. This means that some of the cables are permanently attached to the power supply, while others are modular and can be connected only when needed. The CX750M includes dual EPS 12V connectors, which is great for modern motherboards. The benefit here is cleaner cable management, which improves airflow inside your case and makes building your PC much easier. Nobody likes dealing with a tangled mess of unnecessary cables. With 750 watts of power, the CX750M is suitable for a wide range of PC builds, including those with mid-range to high-end graphics cards. It provides ample headroom for overclocking and future upgrades. While it might not be the flashiest power supply on the market, the Corsair CX750M offers a solid combination of performance, efficiency, quiet operation, and semi-modular convenience, making it a great choice for budget-conscious builders.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.